Yabona ke mawuneyingane mngani wami right now as we speak ziseduze kwakho ngicela uyixoxe ususu batshele ukuthi abahambe bawuhlala ekamereni or bawudlala iminyango kubhizi kabi because manje ngizokhuluma esinye story esihlangene nje kakhulu umngani wethu wenzisenzele imanga sixayekile so udinga advice yenu. Okay, sanibonani ke ubongolo Ndlovukazi ngiza nendaba wena uzanani nendlebe nama ngazi ukuthi enene kufuna ngenze njani. Yabona nje ngize ngaba nenkomishi yabona naye inamanzi ufuna njalo ngathi ngasiphuza lesi ngathi ngixoxa lesi story ngibe ngilo ngiphuza amanzi because umngani wethu Febe umngani wethu. Okay. So umngani wethu uthi ke bongiwe I'm a lady and I'm in my 30s nje sengiya ku 40 uthi so I'm dating not ukuthi uya date uthi bashadile uthi ushada truck driver. Uthi umngani wethu ushade truck driver uthi they've been married nje for a long time washada in 25 years. Uthi so uguy wengakabi truck driver ngesikhathi emshada uthi uguy uyi truck driver and owner ama Uber. Uthi ke ngaleso sikhathi uguy beshada uguy wesa nje esafuna ukuthi athole umsebenzi until umsebenzi awuthola. Uthi nje it wasn't even long after beshadile wathola umsebenzi. Uthi abashadanga kumshado lo wabayindumezulu bahamba nje bayosayina uguy wayihambile wayolobola kubo. It was easy ke because ababe bona abantu abalandela usiko ngaleyo ndlela. Okay, umngani wethu ningayinaki ke insumpa yami namhlanje is popping nje. Umngani wethu ke uthi yena bese bashade ke nomyeni wakhe immediately after bese thola umsebenzi. Ba abantu ke nje abangakayifuni ingane and bebengayifuni based on the fact that bebazi ukuthi basafuna ukuhlanganisa imali. Usho njalo mngani uthi thebe besafuna ukuhlanganisa imali amabhizinisi abe right so that they can bring abantwana emhlabeni sebazi ukuthi financially they are stable. Uthi kumngani wethu umyeni wakhe umswati. Sikubeka ku bracket ke lokho umyeni umswati. And then kusho ukuthi uguy ke abese lokhu ehamba ke njalo uya travel a long distance usuka eSwatini asuke aze South Africa aye ku Mozambique aye ku Zimbabwe like umuntu nje otravelayo who's never at home and makafikile ekhaya they always spend time because uthola ama leave alonga like uyakwazi ukuthi ahlale ekhaya isikhathi eside. Ayina ngempela ke uthi umngani wethu so mashada ke kube right nje ukuthi umuntu wami bekangeyena umuntu like uthi extraordinary empedeni uthi kodwa ubekwazi ukuthi ayenze into yakho na and nami nginala engisatisfy. Uthi kodwa bongiwe ngiyalithanda ucansi. One thing engingakwazanga ukutshela umyeni wami esikhathi engishada ukuthi mina nje ngiyazifela ngokulalwa. So umyeni wami ngalesikhathi ehambile uthi ngisale ngibe senkingeni ngoba mina ngumuntu nje othandayo nje ucansi ngempela futhi hayi indaba okudlala. Uthi ngisale ngibe senkingeni ngize ngithi okay what can I do, let me just buy ilokhuzana ama vibrator azosizwa yiwona ukuthi enene ngizilale and umyeni wami ukuze ngingenza izinto ezisinaks. Uthi ugeli ke ngilokhu between umyeni wami ngasikhathi sebenza ke uyasebenza uze uyaphela u10 years umyeni wami uyakhuluphala. Manje makhuluphala bongiwe itotolozi lakhe uthi liyatshopela and usenomkhaba manje na and because of ukuthi drive a truck uthi hayi ukuthi and then he doesn't get time ukuthi ayojima like that uhlala esitruckini drive ama long distance drive ebusuku drive emini like he never has time like honestly unless uyaye kumsebenzi. Uthi plan yethu we planned ukuthi and then usizoqala ibusiness. Okay, then we did start a business ama Uber. Usine imoto zama Uber ezo4 ezihambayo ezihambe zipick up abantu. We have 4 drivers that are doing that. Uthi so we planned ukuthi umyeni wami ezesikhathi sihamba at least masethi 45 years uzobe seyastopa and then he can resign as being a truck driver bese siqala ama business because yena he wanted to go to ekudayiseni inkomo and all of that. And le ngase ngiyam-advise ke mina ukuthi no, you know what, asenzeni i-Uber business thenga imoto kube khona abantu abasidrayivelayo thina si-cash up because bekungekho lula like that ukujoyina i-taxi industry le yama-taxi amakhulu. Which also it was something nje besisaba, we're very skeptical because asazi ukuthi kwenzakalani khona sike sizwe nje ukuthi eyithwa kunzima. Okay, uthi then benomkhwenyana wakhe ke lokhu beplana ke asho ukuthi umkhwenyana wami ke manje inkinga ngibonga akasanginelisa. akanginelisi because isithandwa sami siyakhuluphala sikhuluphaliswa yini sihlale sihlele truckini uyadla you know and akakutholi ukudla ku-healthy lana kufuna kubambe beme emastobhini and buy food that is not healthy for him uthi and I'm scared of raising issue kuyena ukumtshela ukuthi nene hayibo magayi kathi manje umkhaba hayibo kwenzekalani kwasuba ibhola and manje uthi manje inqandiza yakhe ke iyatshopela the more enomkhaba umkani wethu izinto engixoxela zona uthi inqandiza iyatshopela uthi manje umkhaba is also standing in the way. So now she doesn't get satisfied uthi umkhwenyana wakhe uyafika mabalale naye kube ngathi nje hayi akazange uthi kube ngathi umpolishile waqede lapho wahamba uthi also futhi is exhausted. The amount of time I spend ekhaya is not enough for him to recover from drive ama truck. Uhlale ekhathele makafikile ngalelo langa uthola ukuthi ngiyamfisa ngempela ngifuna ukulala naye angikwazi ukulala naye because umuntu wami ukhathele. Uthi uyakholela kulezi zinto zokuthi achathe and all of that but he's genuinely tired. Uthi ukhathele umsebenzi. Uthi Bongiwe yazi bengithi mangilale naye ngivele ngibone kahle ukuthi yazi engathi ngingacela noma umuntu odlula emgaqweni azongiqedela because clearly he's not doing the job. Uthi mind you I do love this guy. I love him wholeheartedly and ngimthanda ngenhliziyo yami yonke and nje ngiyamthanda. Okay, uthi ke ugeli ke ngitshele ukuthi because inkinga yami imini unenkinga ngoba imini uthanda ucansi instead of understanding umkhwenyana wami. Uthi ke so uno driver abawu4 ngitshelile ukuthi unemoto ezo4 uno driver abawu4. Oyedwa owalobo driver lawa uyishangana. Uthi abanye uthi 2 of them are Zulus and then one of them is utheni Ntswana. Yeah. Uthi ke okay. Akubona abafana abadala nje abafanyanyana nje abanama license asebekhuli abangakakhuli kakhulu ukuthi sebenemizi uthi but lo umshangane uthi modala usekhulile uthi enene yinsizwa nje yinde inyama nje uthi hayi ke njalo ke abafana mangekho umkhwenyana wami bayeza bazokhisha apha kumina bazonginika imali ukuthi enene ama client sizokwenza sure ukuthi imali imoto petrol ifaka upetrol ongaka ngenyanga like nje si check nje ukuthi imoto isebenza ama client amangaki and what not and how much did they make and bakhisha apha kumina bazonginika imali makhona ubaba ekhaya then they do cash up kuyena. Okay, until one day nje uthi Bongiwe actually mina waqala. It wasn't even the guy. Uthi the guy wafika ngelinye ilanga nje egqokele nje ongiyasebenza ngaleso sikhathi leso ngiyeza ukuthi ngiyababelwa. Uthi ngiyeza uthi ngiyababelwa ngiloku ngimbheka lo body lo but uthi ngimbheka nje with that sexy look ukuthi enene because ufikile. Ungitshelile kumfana ukuthi uyeza uzokhuluma ngendaba emoto because his car had a problem. That's why nami ngimnika ama-looks because abanye driver abekho. So he came alone. He had a problem with his car so we had to ukuthi ngimtholele umakhenika umuntu ozokwazi ukuthi afixe imoto until azaqhubeke. Nangampela makafika ke sizodila ngendaba emoto uGuy uthi Bongiwe ngiprepare ngigqoke nje isikhinkili nje sengube encane uthi mangigqoka leyo ngube encane bese ngihamba ngiyoma-attenda uthi ke nje vele ke nginomzimba omuhle ke nje futhi nginezinqa ngime kahle like nje any man would be tempted to sleep with me. Uthi ugeli ke bese yasuka emva kalokho alokhu ezama sejusa uGuy amsejusa uGuy nje uthi akanaka ngakayena umuntu onakile uthi but I deep down I think uyabona abesethi enene uthi ngize ngibe specific ukuthi hayibo awungibonini ukuthi enene what ngiyazama lana uthi abesethi uGuy angeke ngikwazi because nomsebenzi ngiyawudinga and yes you look beautiful but angikwazi because umuntu wakho kanje ushadile angilandi nabafasi babantu uthi hayi amtshela usisi ukuthi enene umkhwenyana wami akekho udriver ama-truck ubuya ngesuku ukuthi so we can do ungakhathazeki ngami uthi anqaba uGuy aze avume uGuy uthi vele bengimbona ukuthi uzovuma because ngiyambona naye ukuthi ngathi khona into ekhona uyangihalela uthi avuma umfana uthi bavumelane ke nobhotike uthi amdonse amuse kwi-guest bedroom because vele uhlala la behlala khona nendoda yakhe so uba nomuzi uthi amdonsele uGuy kwi-guest bedroom because ubengafuni ukuthi enene angene ekamereni lakhe uthi uGuy uthi wamenza ubhuti omhlangane uthi wadlala ngaye, uthi wadlala ngaye ubhuti omhlangane, uthi wamdlala, uthi wamphethula, uthi ngaleso sikhathi uphethe inja. Then ngikhulumisa zona abangani bami, niyayibona yini? Uthi uphethe enye inja yepayipi, umngani wethu ngisaba ngisho ukunibheka, uthi wadlala ngalo ipayipi, uthi wadlala ngalo umfana. Uthi umfana ngalezi sikhathi edlala ngalo, uthi uyamemeza umfana, ukhuluma lezinto lezi nje wena muntu wesifazane ufuna ukuzizwa endlebeni, umfana uyahleba, uthi usebenzisa induku yakhe umfana, uthi wayisebenzisa induku umfana, uthi umfana waligovuza ibhodwe. Uthi Bongiwe, saqeda sinomfana, umfana waqoqa, waphuthuma, waqoqa ngoba akazi uyasaba, waphuthuma waphindela emotweni emnyango. Uthi ngaqoqa Bongiwe, uthi angikaze empilweni yami ngumuntu wesifazane ngibuzwe ubumnandi obunjeya. Uthi uGayi ipayipi lakhe likhulu, uthi umshangane nje wangempela, uthi ishangane nje, uthi likhulu shaft, uthi ebukhulwini bawo uyakwazi ukusebenzisa umfana umshangane. Uthi ngisale ngivoceke ngiphelile, ngivuke ngiyilungise bese ngiqoka iphinifa nami, bese ngiyemotweni, bese ngiyaqala-ke ngiyafona, ngifonele uLukhuzana umakhenika azazobheka imoto, because ubaba la ekhaya ubenomakhenika umuntu wakhe ojwayele ukuze ekhaya azomkhenikela imoto uma unenkinga yemoto. Nangempela eze uGayi afika ayikhenika imoto, ayikhenike nangempela imoto, asho ukuthi imaphi amaphathi ekufuneka esiwathenge, uzobuya azoyiqedela uGayi imoto. Nangempela-ke uma iGayi bese kuwukuthi-ke mina manje sekufuneka ngimhambise la ezothatha khona itaxi. Lo hayi umakhenika, lo bhuti lo umshangane. Uthi Bongiwe bese ngiyamtshela ukuthi then can I drive ngiyokudropha la uhlala khona. Uthi Gaya no, ungangidrive nje ungishiye Lokhuzini train station service so samaLokhuzana. Yabona ingqondo yami manje cabanga lo shaft beni ningicabangisa bona. Uthi ungangidrive ungishiye emateksini. Hayi nangempela uthi umngani wethu indoda ayingenisa emotweni ba drive abesethi uGeli uthi no, but can I just drive you home, like we just did a lot of things together and I want to get to know you. I think ukubuza imibuzo nokwazi kangcono nje ungaba ngcono mangase ukuthi ngidrive. How far do you stay? Yabese yasho uGayi ukuthi uhlala somewhere nje eMjondolo, like a bit further from la behlala khona. Uthi angeke ayisho indawo because of safety issues and also akafuna ukuthi umuntu umaziya ahlanganise 1+1 athole ukuthi uyena. Uthi nangempela-ke ahambe amdrive uGayi uhlala emkhukhwini nje amfika amdropheke khona. Uthi makamdropha khona bese yacela ukuthi ucela ukungena. Uthi kusho yena uGeli umngani wethu uyena phela othanda ucansi. Uthi acela ukungena nangempela uthi umfana athi ngeke bazothina abantu because akujwayele ukungena umuntu lama sekungena intombazane bazokubona nje abantu. Uthi uzobatshela ukuthi and then boss yakho and they were besifuna ukudila something ngemali makhona umuntu obuzayo uthi angena. Uthi mabangene eMjondolo uthi hey ayi baphinde baqhubeke la begcine khona. Uthi kwawo ngaphansi ongaphezulu kwawo in and out kwawo left right and center. Uthi wangibamba umfana wangibhanqa nothayela. Uthi manje uyambona ukuthi umfana ukwi-comfort zone yakhe, he's in a space la ajabula khona. Uthi wangibhanqa nothayela umfana. Uthi Bongiwe ngize ngahlatshwa isipikisi somjondolo wakhe nginesikala eceleni. Uthi entololwaneni umngani wethu. Uthi wamphethula umfana. Uthi ngaqotshwa isipikile ngibangisana nokuthi ngiyalimala indlela engangisebe umnandini ngakhona. Uthi ngaqeda emva kwalokho ngase ngiyaphuma ngiyahamba. Umfana because nginayo inamba yakhe uthi besingakhulumi bese ngiyamtshela ukuthi mina ngicela masefikile ezolanda imoto ngakusasa ngimtshela ukuthi ngicela afike athenge ngifone khona sizokwazi ukuthi then sikhulume ngocingo, hayi lolu upopopo nje sizofonelana, ngizomfonela naye makafuna. Umfana-ke kusho ukuthi naye abe comfortable, uyabona ukuthi hayi cha iyaqhuma lento le, abe comfortable umfana. Nangakusasa afike umakhenika ayikhanda imoto, uthi makaqeda umakhenika ukhanda imoto bese ehamba umakhenika bese siyamkhokhela imali, imoto nangampela idume istart. Indoda yami ngifonelile ngayitshela, ngayi-update ukuthi enene kukhona usibanibani la ekhaya, imoto yakhe ifile, ufikile wahamba uphinde, like ngiyam-update nje. The only thing engam-update ngayo ukuthi enene cha kukhona la asala khona. Uthi bese mayiqeda ukuhamba umakhenika uGayi nje, umakhenika uqede sekulate, so sekulate for ukuthi uGayi angaphinda asebenze. Uthi siphinde futhi sibizane noGayi, ngimbize naye useyazi ukuthi it was just a facial language, uthi we didn't have much communication with uGayi. Ayikho into esasikhuluma etheni eyenza ukuthi like ukuthi ngiyamazi uyangazi nami. Uthi tarata, uthi nakhona one Bongiwe i-risk because angizange size siteste, and also I'm allowing this guy ukuthi nje angena phuma without ukutest. Uthi nangampela senze the day, uthi ngishaya uvalo ukuthi now ngathi irongo lento engenzayo. Uthi bese yamtshela uGayi ukuthi enene, you know, because senze izinto ezirongo and also ngumfazi womuntu, ngiyacela ukuthi enene uhambe uyotesta bese uyangikhombisa ama-result ukuthi kuhamba kanjani. Uthi nangampela uGayi athi hayi akunayo problem, ngizohamba ngiyotesta ngikukhombisa ama-result. Anginalutho, usho uGayi uthi uyazithemba, uthi ngiyazithemba anginalutho, angene umuntu othanda amantombazane kakhulu. I have umuntu wami uhlala le eLimpopo and I'm not into women, into engizele la ukuzosebenza kuphela. Nangampela uGeli naye amkhombise ukuthi enene nami I'm okay, because they wanted to be comfortable. NoGeli ahamba ayo-check-a kudokotela abuye. Uthi-ke ngalelo langa-ke abese yamthumela-ke uGayi athumelele uMy Lady ama-result aphuma ukuthi a-negative, noGeli amthumelele kuMy Lady. Sebethumelelana kulo cingo lolu labo separately, sebenocingo labo abakhuluma kulona. Okay, uthi abuye umuntu wakhe, makabuye umuntu wakhe uthi naye inkinga Bongiwe la iqale khona. Makubuya umuntu wami it's not like into yakhe encane, but because of umkhaba icashilile kude emkhabeni. Uthi-ke bese umuntu wakhe afike ngalelo langa, uthi uGeli ngiyazi ukuthi phela into yalobhudo umshangane, uthi ngiyazi ukuthi inkulu and nje uyayisebenzisa, so nje uyayilimaza nje, insimu nje uyilima nje ayishayi nje iphelile. Uthi so uyasaba ukuthi enene umkhwenyana wakhe lo Mswati uzofika athola ukuthi enene kwenzekalani la. Uthi hayi nangampela makusekuzofika umyeni wakhe ukuthi azame ukugeza, azame ukwenza izinto zakhona, azame wena ayisi, uthi ayikho into angayizama ngumngane wethu, uthi uzame ukuthi aqoqe inyama. Mangani bami, uthi azame uqoqa inyama ukuthi inyama zibuyele ukuze umkhwenyana wakhe angeze ukuthi enene uGeli uyigiva. Uthi makafika umkhwenyana wakhe ahlala lale engakusasa, ukuthi kusengakusasa bese bona udriver bakhe ababize beze bodriver kukhulunywe cash up. Uthi aqede lapho uthi ababhekani nalo ubhudo umshangane, uthi nje ubehave normal. Uthi into engangithanda ngaye he behave normal, laba bayingane nabo baya cash up bajabule usuke bahambe. Uthi bese umyeni wami-ke bese siyahlala-ke endlini-ke sinathi umyeni wami athi uyangifuna senze into zakhona. Bonge uthi Bonge wangenile umyeni wami ngaleso sikhathi akakhali akakewuli, uthi u-enjoya more than life itself. Uthi ngathi kuwesi nje bamanje nje sengimchithela. Uthi uGayi is very happy with isimo sethu. Uthi ngaleso sikhathi mina kuvele kube ngathi ungibangela indlala nosizi. Uthi Bonge njalo mangilaya naye kuvele ube ngathi ngilambile funa ngaphinde ngiyodla kamakhelwane. Uthi bangani bami umkhwenyana wami ngaleso sikhathi he's a happy man and uyangithanda ubhuti wakhona. Uthi uyangithanda kodwa yey akabhacazi ke manje, futhi ngathi uWes manje nje base ngikwazi ukumcompare nomunye umuntu. Uthi ke ezesikhathi sihamba ke ngibusy nobhuti. Ubhuti ushangana akuyena umuntu engimbona every day because angimboni ngisibonana makazo kheshapha noma sibonana emakhona inkinga yemoto, kodwa nje yazi ukuthi la sibonana khona ongaphansi ongaphezulu. Uthi within that time kuze kushaya isikhathi la ngiba pregnant khona. Mangeba pregnant bafazi because besiplanile mina nomyeni wami ukuthi we gonna wait up until kuze kushaya isikhathi la sizovumelana khona ukuthi ngibe pregnant bese siba nomntwana sizoba financially stable. Uthi yazi mangi pregnant I'm not sure ukuthi umntwana owami nomyeni wami noma owami nalobhuti womshangane. Uthi ngaleso sikhathi ngize ngibona ukuthi ngipregnant kwenzeke umyeni wami ukhona. Ufikile umyeni wami ubuyile yonke into ihamba kahle and sesiyaplana manje he was planning ukuthi he's gonna go buy a piece of land ngoba sefuna ukulanda inkomo. And then bese mina vele ngigule ngiphalaze yonke into nginukela kabi kwa perfume yakhe nginukela kabi. Uthi nje ngigule ngibuthwe nezibi. Uthi yena bese yadleka ethi hayi siqwaya awuhamba ubhayika ngathi ubambile. Uthi hayibo makasho njalo ngivele ngihleke ngithi hayibo ayikho lonto siplanile nje we have plans thina. Uthi hayi phela uthi umyeni wami is a laid back person. Uthi nje phela uNkulunkulu masevumile ukuthi sibe nomntwana noma athiwa thina besiplanini kulungile but wena ngiyakusola mina. Uthi nangampela uGeli amthathe umyeni wakhe athi uzomdropha ngakadokotela then yena uzobuye sebuya ngeUber. Abethi uGeli ngeke ngikwazi because umyeni had to go to work. Athi hayi ngeke ngikwazi mina wami ngcono ngizosdrivela mina ngihambele ngiyele kudokotela. Nangampela makaya lapha kudokotela uyafica wenza ama test uyathola ukuthi hayi uzithwele. Uthi umngane wethu ke nayo inkinga ke angazi ukuthi nje bangizithwele ingane ekabani and angikwazi ukuthi ngilethe ingane yalobhuti omshangane because umyeni wami is light skinned. Uthi umyeni wakhe complexion yakhe uthi uyellow bone and akakwazi ukuthi alethe ingane emnyama la ekhaya because kwayena uyellow bone leyo ngane izobonakala ukuthi nangiyonela ekhaya. Uthi umngane wethu she contemplated uthi makatshelwa nje ukuthi pregnant uthi she was like okay relax girl this is on you. Awukwazi ukutshela umuntu awukwazi ukutshela uzocela umthu wamcela udokotela ukuthi ucela ikhiphe private between yena naye because she wants to decide on what to do with umntwana. Nangampela udokotela vume akayanga kodwa kwi-family doctor she just went to a doctor nje another doctor. Nangampela udokotela avume abesethi ke okay let me know ukuthi what's the plan because la it's a gynecologist and they also deal with abortions. Hayi nangampela umngane wethu uthi and then after atshele ulokhuzana ubhuti omtsongo was supposed to come and catch up. Amtshele ubhuti omtsongo ukuthi ungezi with the other guys ngicela ukuthi ni-catch up next week because okwamanje angekho right. Ubhuti omtsongo uthi concern ambuza ukuthi are you okay athi angekho right. Uthi the way engangiphalaza ngayo bongiwe ngangiphalazela ukufa nokuphila ayikho into engangayenza kwangavukeki inhlobo. Uthi okay then I booked an appointment with a clinic gynecologist yami ngazitshela ukuthi okay no ngiyacela ukuthi si-terminate lo mntwana. Uthi nangampela aye kwigyna uthi as-terminate isisu ahlale until azaphole. Luckily all that thing yenzeka umkhwenyana wakhe engekho. So umkhwenyana wakhe makabuya ubuya umngane wethu se-right ambuza ukuthi hayi wena ngambe ngathi ubu-pregnant la athi hayi bengiziphathelwe inyongo nje futhi bengikula. Udokotela uthi anginalutho I did check. Umtshelile futhi umthumelelile message while uguy was still emgaqweni. Hayi ke nangampela umngane wethu siqhubeke isikhathi. Uthi siqhubeke isikhathi uthi sengiyasaba bongiwe ngoba manje angisakwazi ukuletha umuntu for all you know possibly terminating ingane kamyeni wami or terminating ingane kalobhuti but I wouldn't know. Uthi sakhuluma nobhuti womtsonga sayixoxa lento ukuthi okay we need to play safe. Uthi ngixoxa nakhona ngimtshela ukuthi and then I was pregnant. I'm just telling him ukuthi we need to play safe so maybe we need to start condomizing because in case kwenzeka something I wouldn't know ubani umntwana ubelonga kubani. Uthi naye ngizenza umuntu ohlakaniphile but you know angifuni ukumtshela ukuthi because sengidlulile lapho. Nangampela uGayi womtsonga athi ayakana lutho athi akunankinga sivumelane. Uthi akheshaphe ngalelo langa uthi akheshaphe bese sithatha imoto bahamba bafana. Uthi bese bethatha imoto bathatha imoto le kamyeni wakhe because ihlala lapha no driver. Uthi nakampela bahambe baye kube sebusuku nje bahambe baye kumuzi kamfana wona lo ubhuti omshangane. Uthi baye kulo mjondolo kalo bhuti omshangane. Uthi because the fun ingqondo yayidlala ngayo sisi. Uthi ingqondo yayidlala ngabongiwe because yayingenze ngathi kumnandi kakhulu mangilapha yana, even though isehlathini indawo nje vele mina ungathi mawuthola kuyona ubone kahle ukuthi I shouldn't be here. Uthi wangigenqa umfana, wangenza umfana ayikho into angangenzanga yona, ngipheke ngiphethulula bongiwe. Uthi I've never experienced intimacy ngalolu hlobo lolu. Uthi I've never in my life. Uthi like all sorts of emotions and everything. Uthi nje ngangiqala ukuzwa into enjeyana mina empilweni yami. Ayikuthi umngane wethu aqede emva kwalokho abize u-Uber. Uthi makabiza u-Uber requesta kuphendule one of the boys. Uthi abese awukhansela fast. Awukhansele one fast. Kuphendula abafana bakhe abamsebenzelayo. Urequeste kwi-app kodwa yena abone ukuthi imoto yakwami le. Uthi bese ngiyakhansela fast. Bese ngiyazithulela ngiphinde bese ngihamba ngishintsha i-app ngihambe ngiyongena kwi-Bolt ngi-request bese iyafika imoto ngithathe iyongibeka endlini. Bongiwe uthi that went on and on and on. Uthi we did it endlini. Umkhwenyana makafika uyaqhubeka naye, but njalo makangishiya ungishiya ngivele ngizibona kahle ukuthi nje engathi ngihamba ngiyoqedela omunye umuntu because he's not good in bed. Uthi now the reason why I'm telling you this story, it's not because ngifuna ukuqhubeka nokwenza into ubufebe. Uthi sengifuna ukuyeka manje because ngiyabona ukuthi it's affecting i-relationship. It's not that it's affecting a relationship yakhe nomkhwenyana wakhe because they're still on good terms. Umkhwenyana wakhe akababambe. Uthi but uyazi ukuthi lento ayenzayo eventually izogcina ivelile ngelinye ilanga. Uthi uyafuna ukuyeka but now she's developed feelings for uGuy uMtsonga and also uyamthanda umkhwenyana wakhe and uyazi ukuthi yena noMtsonga they don't have a foundation because ngeke akwazi ukuthi ashiye umkhwenyana wakhe amshiyele uMtsonga because uMtsonga naye uthe unomuntu wakhe ekhaya and also financially he's not stable. Uthi he has a good family yena. Uthi mina nomyeni wami sisakhe into enhle together. Uthi I don't want to risk it but ngiyahluleka. Uthi angazi ukuthi ngizoqalaphi because ngidevelop my feelings for this guy and also I do love my husband. Uthi now inkinga yami ukuthi ngiyahluleka ukumala uGuy. Uthi ngiyafuna ukumtshela uyayathi makafikile ngelinye ilanga ezokheshapa. Uthi siphinde sibambana ngiphushe ngiphinde siyongena kwi-guest bedroom. Uthi mase ngiqedile manje as much as I enjoy it but mase ngiqedile nginakho lokho ukuthi you know I should just tell this guy ukuthi and then angisafuni ukujula naye. Uthi ihambe isikhathi abone ukuthi okay uGuy uyahluleka ukumtshela and uyabona ukuthi the way manje they are so like ngathi uthando labo and the way abenza ngakhona ngathi manje izogcina isivelile indaba indlela ekwenzeka ngayo because from time to time njalo manje imoto from time to time inento elimalayo uGuy kumele ezelana yabo nje nami ngisekunezikhathi la umkhwenyana wami angangitholi khona ngibhizi ngisemkhukhwini kabhuti umshangane. Uthi it's taking its toll on me because I can't keep up with the line. Uthi kumngane wethu seyabona ukuthi manje ngathi sisondele in a sense that uzogcina banjiwe. Uthi and one thing uyamsaba umyeni wakhe ngoba umyeni wakhe unesibhamu and uyazi ukuthi akasaba ukusebenzisa phela. Remember umkhwenyana wakhe is a truck driver. Uthi ngiyazi ukuthi akasaba ukusebenzisa. Uthi ngiyazi majina ngelinye ilanga nje efika ngilele nalomshangane esingena ngesibhamu esidubule esibulala and also ihlazo engizolifaka umndeni wami mase kwaziyo ukuthi mina I cheated on such a good man. Uthi because my husband is a good man. I'm not saying ukuthi akacheat because kukhona from time to time uthola ukuthi enene impahleni zakhe ngithola ama condom. Uthola ukuthi enene ngithola ama condom sometimes iphephe livulekile. Uthi I never ask him ngimbuze because ngiyamazi ukuthi uya travel uhlale ngekho. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi naye khona la afike athole stop khona lana. Uthi kodwa endlini uke wangenza ngafile ngathi khona umunye umuntu okhona. Uthi cha he is literally makala ekhaya ula ekhaya ngeke uzwe ngisho ucingo lakhe likhala. Uthi so now into engicabangayo ngingacabanga ensukwini ukuthi enene maybe uGuy lona kumele ngimxoshe ngithole omunye udriver. Uthi but manje mangimxosha uGuy lo ngizomxosha uGuy uzophelela umsebenzi because lo msebenzi sona isinkwa sakhe naso lesi la. Uthi enene because ukumxosha kwami ngenzela ukuthi kube ne distance between us. Uthi manje angazi ukuthi ngenze njani or ngimxoshe or ngoba siyahluleka ukuyeka. Uthi kwayena manje ngiyambona ukuthi usengene ngamawaza kanti mina ngangenzela ukuthi ngikhwintshe i-test. Uthi manje ngiyabona ukuthi this test quenching thing is not working. Isitone sami sesifuna ukubonakala manje asisawukhwintsha umphimbo kuphela. Sesifuna ukuthi manje sikhipha ama-bubbles sibone umhlaba wonke ukuthi sona sidla unkosikazi webhosi yaso. Uthi so ngicela ningiboniseni bafazi. Uthi ngiyazi ningangijaji. I know ukuthi enene ngenza iphutha. Uthi but ngiyacela ukuthi ningibonise ukuthi ngenze njani. Ngimhambise aye kumsebenzi. Uthi because I was even thinking of telling my husband ukuthi I think he's not a good driver, but I know my husband uyabathemba driver bakhe. And driver bakhe they very consistent, but manje angikwazi ukuthi ngivele ngiqhamuke and make up a lie. Uthi ngicela ningitsheleni ukuthi ngizothini kumkhwenyana wami because this is going to end up in tears and it's not going to end well because now nami ngiyabona ukuthi umuntu okwazi ukwenza udlula umyeni wami uyena lo. So guys ngicela nibonise nomngane wethu ukuthi enze njani ke ngesitone sakhe. Ubhalela ngaphansi ukuthi akamxoshe or amyeke bahlukane like I don't know. Nama ngazi mngane wami wena uyifaka ogibeni. Ungathenga ingane kodwa nawe ivibrate awuqhubeke lapho kulawo my vibrator akho. Uyabona ngoba ngcono mawufuna usize omkhulu uthenge usize omkhulu gele. Like why usenza kanjalo? Ngijudge mngane wami ngijudge kodwa sengiyasho nje ukuthi ngelilanga mhlambe you know introduce ama toys kumyeni wakho umtshela ukuthi maybe ngiyadlala ke kodwa ke it's not my place, but ngiyacela nim advise guys nisho ukuthi akenze njani, but inkinga ke zabanye abangani bethu lezi abanye abantu baneyinkinga ezinhle emhlabeni. Bye.